What's up guys, MRSYNC here. Today is Independence Day. Currently it is 12:48 in the morning, so I'm gonna catch some Z's and then we're gonna have some fun on Independence Day, so I'll see you then.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn?
So today we're gonna be launching fireworks, and before we see the fireworks get launched, let's reflect 3 days ago when we bought the fireworks. Here we go. Alright guys, so this is everything we got. We got 2 rockets and I think 5 firework boxes. So yeah, that's everything we got.
Hey, this ain't okay. Swing the remix gone.
Here it goes. Here we go. Oh, here we go, guys. Go, go, go. Here we go.
That's just so real cool. That was big ones. I don't know who that was.
Alright guys, so this is where the video concludes, so I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, rate, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.